Hi, I'm back with another episode of Jana Eats. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. I thought I'd do a product tasting of vegan dairy-free butters. So here we go, because I remember when I first experienced Miyoko's, I was so happy and blown away because it tasted like real butter. So we already know I like that, but I'm going to taste it next to those. This Milkadamia, I love their nut milk, so I'm very hopeful for this. And I do think, I haven't tried this melt. It's got coconut, sustainable, ethical fruit, canola, and high oleic sunflower, flaxseed, water, annatto. I'm not big on canola oil. Is this organic? Oh, it is. So, but still. And then the Earth Balance. This, I picked the soy-free blend, but it does have canola, safflower, and flax oils, palm oil. But anyway, you know, for those of you that can't tolerate butter, these are all a blessing, right? So let's start with, I'm going to do the Earth Balance soy-free, the Melt Organic, okay. Melt Organic, a little lighter in color, doesn't bother me a bit. Macadamia nuts. And my Miyoko's. Come here, come to mommy. This was in the freezer, so I always have Miyoko's. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is the Earth Balance. It's a little salty. It's got a great mouth feel. It doesn't taste super buttery, and there's a little bit of, kind of tastes like a very subtle chemical finish. Okay, let me drink a little water. Okay, next, Melt. The Melt is, I prefer the Melt to the Earth Balance. The Melt actually has a really buttery flavor and a soft melting point mouthfeel. It's actually quite good. Okay. What's in that? Palm oil free, that's good. Let's see. Coconut, canola, macadamia nut, lecithin. I'm a little bummed there's, is it organic? No, non-GMO. Does that mean there's no glyphosate in that canola oil? Anyway, it tastes good. Oh, it's melting rather quickly. It's good. It almost has a grassy tint to it. Okay. Tastes like butter. Miyoko's. Tastes like butter. So, and okay, so I'm going to rank these in preference. So my winner is Miyoko's. My runner-up is Melt Organic. Rich and creamy butter made from plants. I really liked that one. The Milkadamia was good. It was a little softer and it melted quicker, which may not be an issue at all. And then coming in up with the caboose is Earth Balance. So, and actually, they all tasted pretty darn good, everything considered, but I do think Miyoko's is the clear winner with this Melt as a close second. So I hope this has been helpful, and tune in next time when I critique some products. See you then. Bye-bye.